Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're fixing odd spacing now. Open the document and immediately check font, size, and language because inconsistent fonts cause gaps. Once done, show invisible characters so you can spot non-breaking spaces and manual line breaks. Next, use Find and Replace. Search for 2 spaces and replace with 1, then search for non-breaking space characters and replace with normal space. Make sure to work on a copy if the doc is long, and proceed to paragraph settings next. Now focus on paragraph flow, open format, then line and paragraph spacing, and set predictable spacing like 1, 15 or a custom number so lines don't spread. If text is justified, switch to left align to see if justification is creating the weird gaps. This often fixes large word spacing. Also inspect tabs and indents in the ruler and remove extra tab stops. If you used pasted content, clear formatting to reset hidden styles. Once consistent, finish by cleaning up residual styles. Select problem text and choose clear formatting, because lingering paragraph styles create spacing irregularities. If that fails, paste the selection into a plain text editor and back into Google Docs to strip hidden characters, then reapply your desired font and spacing. Make sure to test in a new document and disable extensions, or try incognito to rule out add-ons causing rendering bugs. If spacing still looks wrong, check browser zoom and update Chrome. One key tip: rebuild the doc incrementally to find the offending element.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.